Howdy, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you what I consider the best DIY archery target. I started shooting with my old recurve bow to a carpet folded several times. It was okay, but it had limited resistance to penetration, and sometimes the arrows penetrated too much, damaging the fletchings. Then I started shooting crossbows, and it was almost useless due to the much higher kinetic energy of these weapons. So I tried to shoot at thick books, yellow pages and other. They can withstand to compound bows and crossbows, but you need a lot of them, and the paper is heavy. In no time the target gets unmovable. A friend of mine suggested to use pressed plastic packagings. They are light and can stop quite well even fast crossbow bolts, but the high speed of the bolt at the impact makes a lot of friction that melts the plastic, resulting in difficult removal of the arrows from the target. In the end, I decided to use all clothes, wool and cotton, jeans and denim, fabric, sheets and rugs. That kind of material can stop even super fast bolts perfectly. The removal of them is very easy, as the fabric will not be melted by the friction of the bolt speed at the impact. Then I found in the garbage an old fabric trolley. I packed the clothes in the trolley, and here it is, the perfect target. It has the wheels, so I can move it with no effort. It stops any arrow even if shot at 500 FPS, and the extraction is super easy. Now let me show you how well it performs. I'm using my 405 FPS crossbow, shooting 450 grains bolts. I used a couple of strings to add a piece of cardboard with the printed target on the belly of the trolley. Here it is, ready for my daily practice. Let's send some balls to it. I need only 2 fingers to remove the bolts. But I prefer using 5 of them. All the kinetic energy is softly absorbed by the fabric of the old clothes packed in the trolley. Awesome! It works perfectly. I love that sound. Look how well it stops the arrows. They only penetrate a few inches. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you soon on the next one. And now the grand finale.